My name is Kobe Jones, and this is Los Angeles. Los Angeles makes me proud for a variety of different reasons. The biggest reason is that anyone can come and find a place. And what I know about Los Angeles is that we do embrace everybody coming together and celebrating, and that's what the World Cup is all about. There's so much to see in Los Angeles when you talk about how beautiful this city is, be it from sports to the people, the natural beauty. You can find whatever you want here. In 1994, with the US being the host, playing in Los Angeles, the dream come true. You know, this is my home. You are representing your country, your city, your family. So it's almost indescribable what it means, not only to you as the player, but to everybody else. And to have this entertaining men's national team kick off here. It's a connection to the '94 team that was based here in Southern California. And it puts all eyes, not only in LA, but around the world right here. This is my city. This is my home. This is Los Angeles.